Yellowstone volcano, scientists' biblical warning over worldwide impact revealed. The Yellowstone volcano could bring about biblical implications for up to 6 years if it was to erupt again in the future, a geophysicist warned during a documentary on the world's biggest natural disasters. The Yellowstone volcano has erupted 3 times in history, 2.1 million years ago, 1.2 million years ago and 640,000 years ago. Scientists have previously revealed that, should an earthquake occur, it could take less than 2 weeks before a catastrophic reaction event with the potential to wipe out a huge part of the U.S. is triggered. However, geophysicist Michael Rampino is more concerned with the effects after the initial eruption. The geophysicist and professor at New York University revealed during the BBC's Supervolcano series how the world would be affected for up to 6 years by volcanic ash. He said in 2015, "You cannot grow anything in volcanic ash, as we saw with Mount St. Helens. It wipes out the breadbasket of the world. Recovery would be a long process, so where does food come from in the meantime? Imagine 6 years without a growing season. I foresee a very biblical time where civilization would be strained at the roots." This, a Yellowstone eruption, would be the most severe conditions human beings have ever met. The last eruption of Yellowstone produced around 2,500 times more volcanic material than the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. This created an eruptive column so colossal that it covered around 60% of the U.S. in a thick layer of ash. Should the same happen again, a mixture of ash, lava blebs, and superheated gas exceeding temperatures of 1,000 C could move at speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. If the pyroclastic flow hits anyone, they would possibly die within seconds as the air could heat up to around 300 C. Mr. Rampino also revealed how this huge pyroclastic cloud could also ground planes. Any aircraft heading over the state of Wyoming faces the possibility of suddenly nosediving should the mixture of rock, minerals and volcanic glass suffocate their engines. He said, "The ash can go into the jet engines and coat it." There have been horrifying predictions of planes just losing their power and nosediving while the pilots try to figure out how to get the plane under control. There are lots of ways you can die. Another way would be to inhale the stuff. The glass attacks the lungs, the bones and kill you from the inside.